Yes, dear student, the next machine is wheel and axle. You have seen in the villages, water is fetched from the well by the machine which is made up of wood. That is also wheel and axle. Effort is applied here and bucket of water is placed with this rope. When you rotate the big wheel by one rotation, this load is lifted up by one rotation. So this one is big wheel and this one is axle. This is the groove in which a rope is passed over or the string is passed over. So the radius of this wheel is capital R and this one is axle which is fixed in the wheel when it is rotated. Axle also rotates. So a rope is fixed on the axle and wrapped at one end. Load is tight. When we rotate the wheel, the load is lifted up. Now, as I told you that you have to learn about effort arm and load arm. When your effort is taking one circle, so effort arm will be 2 pi capital R and load is lifted up by the rotation of axle, and axle also takes one circle and its radius is smaller. So the load arm is 2 pi smaller. Now come to the definition. We can define it a simple machine used to lift heavy load. It is consisted of a big groove in which rope is passed over, a string is passed over, wheel of radius capital R with fixed axle having radius smaller. A string is passed over the groove and effort is applied. And other string is wrapped on the axle, over the axle, and load is tied to its other end. Here the load is tied, one end is fixed. With one rotation of wheel, effort moves 2 pi R. So effort arm is 2 pi R. Likewise, when wheel rotates, axle will also rotate. With one rotation of axle, load is raised to 2 pi smaller. So load arm is 2 pi smaller. Now come to the mechanical advantage of wheel and axle. If it is an ideal machine, all the machines we consider ideal machines where no heat losses, energy losses. If it is an ideal machine, then output is equal to input. So load multiply load arm is output, effort multiply effort arm is input. W is load and 2 pi R is load arm. P is effort and 2 pi capital R is effort arm. So W upon P is equal to 2 pi capital R upon 2 pi small r. 2 pi and 2 pi are cancelled. So W upon P is equal to capital R upon small r. But you know W upon P, the ratio between load and effort, is called mechanical advantage. Therefore, mechanical advantage is equal to capital R upon small r. Now, we concluded that mechanical advantage of wheel and axle depends upon radius of wheel. We can abbreviation MA is directly proportional to capital R. If we increase the radius, mean and bigger wheel, mechanical advantage will be much and much. So these are the simple machines. You have to learn about the diagrams and draw the diagrams, write out the definition as well as mechanical advantage. So it is the end of the chapter 9 for class 10. Inshallah, in next class we will do numericals. Okay, thank you.